Okay, so final vlog of this day. Very tiring day. So as you can see, it's
We
almost
have a long,
6.
very day.
Very long day.
Very long, very
Long day and
Long.
almost 6 na.
11
We are
hours
supposed
of
to uwi ng
5.
5.
But
But
yet, we're here in the capsule. It says
Ayun, no,
5:46 p.m.
so kung mag-e-edo kayo guys.
Okay, pakita mo to. Couples Court Rice. Ano namin yung sa
At
church?
andito yung manager ng ano.
Ay, ako manager mo, diba?
Mali ko no, blinag niya pa.
Sa YouTube na naman yan, mama.
Shoutout nga pala.
sa YouTube.
Pag nagsipag talaga ako mag-edit, humanda kayo lahat.
Attendance daw sa YouTube.
Anong sasabihin mo kay Jana?
Hoy, ikaw dyan ha. Akala mo matapang ka.
Labas naman.
Bahay mo.
Bahay mo, inaaman.
Up. No.
Ato.
No. So this is CSU at
So we're here at the front of Batibot. You can see that
and also the Filipino Chinese Friendship Arc. Yeah.
and this upcoming.
Soon.
Guys, we are here.
We're here at the what we call this one.
Batibot
The hallway, yeah.
Yes. The hallway itself.
As you can see, kami yung pinakalat na
No.
natapos.
Na back to you.
Babawi kami, guys.
Kung inahintay nyo comeback
We're going how to
Comeback.
come back. Yeah.
OS ka le, mga